Are you tired of lifeless interfaces that fail to capture your audience's attention? Do you dream of transforming your website into a captivating experience that drives engagement and conversions? It's time to turn those dreams into reality. Well, the answer lies ahead. Introducing myself, your UI/UX design alchemist, wielding the power of Adobe Suite. I am here to take your vision and transform it into a captivating digital experience. Imagine an interface that enthralls users, simplifying their journey and boosting engagement. Envision a design that drives conversions while elevating your brand to new heights with its unique, user-friendly aesthetic. Now, let's turn that vision into reality. Let's dive into how I can help you. Whether you're starting from scratch or need help refining your existing website, I'm here to collaborate with you every step of the way. Together, we'll transform your ideas into a vibrant, user-friendly interface. Let's explore my skills and experience. As a seasoned UI/UX designer, I possess a diverse skill set in user research, wireframing, prototyping, UI design, and accessibility. From understanding your target audience and their needs, to creating interactive mock-ups that visualize your design, to crafting visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces, I do it all. My focus on accessibility ensures your website is inclusive and accessible to everyone. But why should you choose me for your project? What sets me apart? Here's why you should choose me for your next project. I bring to the table a client-focused, detail-oriented approach that ensures clear communication, regular updates, and meticulous attention to your needs. I'm committed to your satisfaction, offering unlimited revisions until we hit the sweet spot together. As a fast learner who's always eager to exceed expectations, I continuously expand my knowledge and skills to deliver exceptional results. Are you ready to unlock the magic of engaging interfaces? Ready to unlock the magic of engaging interfaces? Bring your visions to life with captivating designs that speak volumes. Don't leave your audience spellbound in the mundane. Let's discuss your project and brew up a UI/UX potion that exceeds your expectations. Craft compelling projects with me, your Adobe Suite UI/UX design alchemist.